Hello, what's up guys? This is Oston called Cypher back again with a brand new video on C programming, and today's video we are going to be talking about comments. Now, first of all, when I'm to talk about comments are like notes you leave behind for other programmers to follow or read to understand what the code is all about. Like, a scenario comes when you program something but within the next 4 years you're not around, so when a new person is to come in, or like a programmer, he or she has to understand those comments you left behind, and that will simplify his or her job to upgrade or improve on the current code. Like, right now I'm going to create a program that is going to be capturing and displaying user entered information. I'll give it char first name. I give it an array of 13 characters, semicolon. So I print out enter first name, semicolon. So we capture the name, scanf, s, since we are dealing with a character, it's going to be string. Sorry, since we are dealing with a string. Then comma, ampersand, first name. So we are calling this one the first name, semicolon. So at this point we are only capturing data, so to display it again we printf. You tell the user you entered %s, go outside the line, comma, you call the first name or the variable you used. So if I'm to build and run this code, this is what we are going to be having. You are asking the user to enter the first name, so enter first name. When the user enters, like, let me say Oston, the program should be able to tell him that you have entered Oston. So imagine you have come from nowhere and you meet such a code and you don't know what it's all about, you don't know what this f name means, and in case you wrote even something different here, the grammar, somebody wrote it differently. So the importance of code is like to tell somebody, another programmer or user, what the code is all about. And first of all, we are going to look at the single line comment, where it's followed by two forward slashes. I don't know if you can see them properly, but a single line comment is represented by two forward slashes. So at this stage I will say, here we capture user name, we capture the user's name. So when another programmer is to meet your code, it will be easy for him or her to understand which this line means. So when he or she comes and sees here that here we capture user's name, he will simply know that, yeah, this line is all about capturing user's name. And when he comes among the variables, he doesn't know what f name means. So you can go ahead and comment out. You say f name means first name, first name. So even if you are to build and run this code, our program will not be affected, because the programmer will understand, hey, this is a comment, they don't want me to include it in the program, and it will not display anything. So even if a user enters anything, it will still run smoothly. You entered YouTube, so any word you enter, it will be the one displayed to you. And you come right down here, he doesn't know what this line also means. Printf, you entered %s f name. So here you can go ahead and also put a comment. This will display the user input. So this line will display the user input. Whatever word or name we enters here, it will be displayed on this section, and return 0. That will tell the program, hey, there's nowhere to go, the program must stop there, so terminate all the process. It terminates it. So far we have been looking at the single line comment. This is the single line comment, but we also have the block comment or multiline comment, and it is represented with a /**. So right now it is considering the rest of the program to be under comment, because we have not yet crossed this. You see, this is also a comment. So to cross this comment, you type asterisk, again the /. So it will now bring back these ones to life. So this is how you write a multiline. I can even tab it to the next line. Whatever word or data I write in between this space, it will be considered as a comment. As you can see, this is a new line. Still, it is considered as a comment. Even if I write again Oston code Cypher, still it will be considered as a comment. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. You can go ahead around and put comments in your code for other people to understand it. A good programming culture, or a good programmer, should always use comments in his or her code, so that even somebody who's just beginning to program can easily understand he or she what was programming, writing about. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bless. Bye bye.